Hey, my name is Boogey. This is the ZoneOut sessions on Freeme TV. Let's go. I'm a cross between a cross and a pitchfork. Of course, when you define my force, the end of your stick short. Unfortunate, you're fortunate, you buried in a coffin of gold. Finally shining, but it costs you your soul. Nobody watching, celestial bodies dropping, your body rotten. Taste the end, meet the apocalypse with puckered lips. Kiss your world goodbye, out with the good guy and with the baddest villain. It's the raddest feeling when my horns grow and crack the ceiling. Invested in beats with hopes of besting the beast. You jokers messing with me, you folks are tested and weak. Supposed to rest it and sleep. Night, night, boys, you made it on TV. But fuck it, just the right white noise. Embracing the static, my pace is erratic. How I switch up on you, the look on your face is the panic. I've been in the basement, I had it with the high and mighty. Placed in a position to start the grace in the attic. Erasing from the face of the planet. High horse sitter, life force giver, make the mic cord slither. Descending from the heavens as the white orb glitters. I'm quite bored, every time they see I'm hot and you acting like you're sicker. I call your dad on the phone as I pipe your sister. I'm pettier than down, I leave your heart heavier than pounds on the belly of a cow. Now you people hurt, the doctor will doctor the diagnosis with an evil smirk. Oh, hip-hop, I'm kinda feeling hopeless sad. Now their favorite rapper is the dude who got the dopest dab. Same thing on every channel, thinking my remote is bad. You should be in the studio, but you just wanna smoke and brag. I hate to brag, but I'm one of the greats you have. I should get paid to rap or paid to act, niggas if they too whack. Every day you ask niggas to listen when they play you back, and they be like, no, I'll pass, even when the greats too bad. Look, rap's too dope, they should never play those. I should dumb it down and ask the famous ones how they sold they souls. Chicks don't like rap if it ain't for clubs or Drake slow. What? Same chicks yelling Kendrick and J. Cole, explaining why rappers shouldn't go hard is hard enough. And now the same niggas say chicks ain't hard enough. Double standard, so much for gender equality. Artists giving us poor releases done horribly, and so they just call them leaks. Shit is getting major promo for a V. Rhetorical, you out of the sick ones get segregated like quarantine. Continue the legacy of the Mode 9s and the MIs, but I ain't trying to be them guys, so copying Eminem style. This is real enough to be written in blood if the pen dries. So F with me, you gonna be rest assured this ain't hentai. Yeah, I should expose all you pretenders like I'm meant to. You slipping, better get a grip, boy, before I end ya. Incendiary when I come through, I come busting and I'm combusting. Give him that fire.